How to add Discord link to your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First up, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the very top, you'll see the option of Add Friends. Click on it. With that, different options will appear as Share Invite, Copy Link, and many more. Click on the option of Share Invite. Different social media platform will appear. You can use any of these platforms to share your Discord link. To get the link, click on Copy Link. With that, you have just copied the link of your Discord account. Now you can launch your YouTube. Now head towards the U option given at the bottom right corner. Now click on the option of View Channel. Click on this pen kind of icon. You'll be directed to the channel settings page. Now from here you can easily add your Discord link. Navigate to the option of description, click on it. Paste the link over here. Then click on Save. With that, you have just added your Discord account link to YouTube channel. So this way you can easily add Discord link to YouTube channel. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.